How to transfer CashApp to PayPal. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to transfer CashApp to PayPal. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. There are two methods on how you can transfer CashApp to PayPal. The first method is link your PayPal account to your CashApp account. Open the CashApp and tap on the Banking tab. Further, tap on the Linked Banks option and then tap on the Add Bank option. Go ahead and select the PayPal option and enter your PayPal account email address and password, and further tap on the Link Bank option. Now, transfer money from your PayPal account to your linked bank account. Then, open the PayPal app or website. Log in to your account. You will see the option for transfer and pay. Click on that and then tap on the Withdraw Money option. Select the To Your Bank Account option and then enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Further, go ahead and select the bank you want to transfer the money to, and finally tap on the Continue button. Review the transfer details and then tap on the Transfer option. Transfer money from your linked bank account to your CashApp account now and open the CashApp application. Tap on the Banking tab you see there and further tap on the Add Cash option and select From Bank option. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer and select the bank account you want to transfer the money from and then tap on the Add button. The method 2 is Get a CashApp cash card. Open the CashApp application and tap on the Cash Card tab. Further, tap Get Cash Card option and enter your shipping information and tap on Next. Review your order and tap Order Cash Card. Next, link your CashApp cash card to your PayPal account. Open the PayPal app or website and then log in to your account. Tap on the Wallet option and further tap on the Link a Card option. Go ahead and select Debit or Credit Card option and enter your CashApp cash card information. Finally, tap on the Link Card option. Now, transfer money from your PayPal account to your CashApp cash card and open the PayPal application or website. You will then have to log yourself in, so log into your account and tap on the Transfer and Send Money option. Enter CashApp cash card information and then enter the amount of money you want to and then tap on the Continue button. Review the transfer details and tap on the Send button, and with this, your money will be transferred to CashApp from PayPal. So, this is how you can transfer CashApp to PayPal. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.